In this video, I'll show you how to edit an epic anime music video using Filmora Mobile. This includes beat sync editing to give your AMV a professional, polished look. You can try Filmora for free. The link's in the description. First, open Filmora Mobile. It comes packed with powerful AI tools, and for this edit, we'll use the AI beat feature. Start by selecting your music. This is super important because your entire edit will sync to the rhythm of the track. Once you've picked your song, hit Next. Now, import all your anime clips. You can use both video and photo content. Once your media is selected, tap Generate. Filmora will automatically sync your visuals to the music. Choose the beat option for more dynamic impact. Then tap the three dots, go to More Edits, and you'll land on the full editing timeline. From here, you can fine-tune everything, including manual beat adjustments if you want more control. Next, let's add transitions. Choose any style you like, zoom, RGB, or anything that fits your anime aesthetic. I'm going with the fast zoom transition for that energetic feel. Set the duration to your liking, then tap Apply to All to save time and keep things consistent. Now, let's enhance the visuals with some effects. Head over to the effects section, you'll find tons of options. I recommend using Audio Visualizer from the Audio Effects category. It reacts to your music in real time and adds an awesome synced flash effect. Stretch it across your entire timeline to cover all your clips. Next, use Dispersion Blur for an amazing look in your video. Finally, apply RGB Split to add a subtle RGB effect to your clips. You can also incorporate additional effects for an even more dynamic result. And that's it. Export your video, and boom. Try Filmora for free. The link is right below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.